you ever get into your Nissan, yeah, like this, put a key in, you don't get nothing, you don't get lights, friggin' everything's dead. Well, I'm going to tell you what part you need to keep this piece on the road. Okay, so here it is. This is the part that's going to leave you stranded on the side of the road or at the gentleman's club, Walmart, McDonald's, wherever you're at. This like fusible link hangs off of the battery, the positive battery post like this, and then it's got these individual wires here that blow at certain amperages. But what ends up happening is corrosion finds its way through here and probably into this plastic piece, and then it basically just, you know, screws over the whole show. So, and here's the new part, and this is doorman. There's the part number. 15 bucks on Amazon. You can see same thing. This one just has another accessory stud or whatever, but notice how clean it is, how filthy that is. Obviously brand new, no corrosion, lots of corrosion. We'll throw this in and, you know, the car should fire right up. Alright, so right away we get jingle jangles. Oh, look at that. So, that piece is definitely what you need. Yeah, 14 bucks to keep your beautiful Versa or Altima or whatever you got back on the road. Because, I mean, you don't want to be left stranded. You know, this is like my kid's new side-by-side, so he was really upset last weekend when it wasn't running. Death metal. Okay, pal, your side-by-side's ready. Yeah.
Side-by-side?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, when you sit next to him, you're side-by-side. Yeah. Woo. Right in the field. Perfect. right into a tree. Watch my tree. There you go. Drive. Turn it. There you go. Nice recovery there, pal.
Yeah. Did you see how I drifted everywhere?
Oh yeah, you drifted all right.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, the old 2008 Nissan Versa side-by-side's back in action. $14 part was all that was required. And yeah, that's how you fix your Nissan and make sure you don't die on the side of the road. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.